want to make sure you understand where we are. So Tamiami Trail runs right about here. You can see it, the yellow line on this map. And Shark River Slough is the very tail end of this river of grass. When you get down to the southern end, there are rock outcrops, higher ground areas that narrow the river down. So it's a very narrow system through here. So we're sitting in northeast Shark River Slough, right over here.
Okay.
Just near this island over here. And historically, this was the deepest water area of what's called a rigid slough. This area of alternating deep water sloughs and ridges.
Right.
And if you look around here, you don't see any deep water sloughs anymore. And that's because of the construction of all these water management features. Historically, the lake fluctuated from about 17 to 20 feet. Currently, the lake is about 13 and a half. So the water that used to flow southward is now diverted east and west to the estuaries. So we're getting much less water flowing south. And then the water conservation areas do just what the name implies. They capture wet season runoff and they retain it for dry season water supply.